Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to add fractions, one of the most important fraction skills you will use in maths. Let's start with a simple example. We have 3 over 7 plus 2 over 7. Many students think they should add both the top and bottom numbers, but that's not how fractions work. Notice that both fractions have the same denominator. The denominator tells us the size of the pieces. Since the pieces are already the same size, we only need to add the numerators. So we add 3 plus 2, which gives us 5. The denominator stays exactly the same. So our answer is 5 over 7. Let's try another example. 4 over 9 plus 3 over 9. Again, the denominators are the same, so we add the numerators. 4 plus 3, which gives us 7, and we keep the denominator as 9, giving us 7 over 9. Before we continue, let's try a quick quiz. What is 5 over 8 plus 1 over 8? Is it A 6 over 8, B 6 over 16, C 5 over 16? Oh, D 7 over 8? Pause the video and have a think. Vote in the quiz above and let's see how you do. Let's continue. If you got that right, well done. Let's look at one final example. 2 over 5 plus 1 over 5. Add the numerators. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Keep the denominator as 5, giving us 3 over 5. And that's it. Adding fractions with the same denominator is one of the easiest fraction skills once you remember the rule. Add the numerators. Keep the denominator the same. If you can remember that simple rule, you'll solve these questions very quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care.